Apple is gearing up for several exciting product launches in the first half of 2025. While the company has yet to make any official announcements, reports suggest that a range of new devices is on the way. From an upgraded iPhone SE to a more powerful MacBook Air, Apple seems to have a packed lineup ahead. So hold on to the video and subscribe our channel so you don't miss interesting tech updates. Here is the list of products Apple is ready to unveil in the next few weeks. Number 1. Fourth generation of iPhone SE. The next iPhone SE is expected to bring a modern look, featuring a flat aluminum frame design and a glossy glass back similar to the iPhone 14. Unlike recent models, it may still include the traditional mute switch. The home button is likely gone, making way for Face ID within a familiar notch. Performance-wise, Apple is rumored to equip it with either the A17 Pro chip or the A18 chip, the same processor as the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 16, paired with 8 GB of RAM. This combination could allow the device to support Apple's AI-powered features, making it the most affordable AI-compatible iPhone. Storage may start at 128 GB, and the camera system could see a significant upgrade with a 48-megapixel main sensor and Apple's in-house 5G modem chipset. Number 2. MacBook Air with M4 chipset. Alongside the iPhone SE, Apple is also working on an M4-powered MacBook Air. This update is expected to deliver better performance while keeping the same lightweight design. The base model might come with 16 GB of RAM, aligning it with recent MacBook Pro updates. Number 3. Smart Home Display. Beyond its traditional lineup, Apple is reportedly developing new smart home products. One of the most anticipated is a smart display, designed as a control hub for connected devices. It may feature a 6-inch touchscreen, built-in speakers, a front camera for video calls, and a rechargeable battery. The interface is expected to combine elements of watchOS and iOS standby mode, making it a versatile addition to Apple's ecosystem. Number 4. Apple Watch SE. Apple is rumored to be working on a new Apple Watch SE, expected to arrive in 2025. This model could take inspiration from the Apple Watch Series 7, possibly introducing a rigid plastic body with more color options. It may also feature a faster processor, likely based on the S9 chip found in the Series 9. Number 5. New iPads. Apple is reportedly preparing to launch the 11th generation iPad in April, bringing a performance boost with the A18 chip while maintaining a similar design. This upgrade is expected to enhance speed and efficiency, along with support for Apple Intelligence features. Alongside this, the iPad Air may receive an update with the M3 chip, offering improved performance for users who need more power. Apple is also rumored to introduce new accessories, including a redesigned Magic Keyboard tailored for the Air models, potentially enhancing the overall user experience. Number 6. AirTags. A refreshed version of the AirTag tracker is also said to be in the works. While its design may remain the same, Apple could introduce improved tracking technology and enhanced anti-stalking features. With these devices on the horizon, Apple's next wave of product launches is shaping up to be exciting. If these reports are accurate, the first half of 2025 could bring significant upgrades across multiple categories. What are your thoughts about the upcoming launch event of Apple? Which product are you excited about the most? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.